Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Respected our trustee ma'am, Mrs. Bushra Jamal ma'am, and beloved principal, Mrs. Hina Kausar, and our respected administrator ma'am, Ms. Sunita Kumari, and my colleagues, and all my dear students. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Okay, today we have gathered here for celebrating 74th Republic Day of our India. Yes or no? So, as we all know that India celebrate every year Republic Day on 26th January from 1950 because this day was declared as a Republic Day, as well as the Constitution of India came into force from 1950. After independence, for long years of struggle, after getting independence from the British rule, in 1947, India did not have its own constitution. So, India constitution was constituted under the chairmanship of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. And our constitution of India was written by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. And it has taken 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to complete the Constitution of India. Then our Constitution of India came into force on 26 January 1950. As a Republic Day, we are celebrating every year. So, Republic means the supreme power of our country, and we are having the right to elect their representative to lead the country in a right way. So, today we are living in a republic country without any pressure in the society. So, we should not forget our superheroes, who are the freedom fighter to struggle and they lost their life to make our country freed from the British rule. Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, etc. So at last but not the least, we should remember our heroes and we should respect our freedom fighters and we should be a responsible citizen for the development of country and progress. Now I will conclude my speech by saying this: देशभक्ति से ही देश की शान है, देशभक्ति से ही देश का मान है, हम उस देश के फूल हैं यारो, हम उस देश के फूल हैं यारो जिस देश का नाम हिंदुस्तान है. Thank you one and all.